The first question is from acceleration, in which the initial velocity is 36 km per hour. So we can convert it into meter per second, into dividing it, multiplying it by 5 and dividing it by 2. So 1 and 2, that is 10 meter per second. Now the final velocity is 72 km per hour, which implies a 72 into 5 by 18, and cancelled out it will be 4, so 20 meter per second. Since the change of the time of the speed takes place in the 10 seconds, so acceleration equals to v minus u by t, where v equals to 20 minus 10 by t equals to 1 meter per second square. So we get the acceleration equals to 1 meter per second square. So we have to find the distance traveled by the train during this time. So we can find it by s equals to ut plus half at square, that is u, that is 10 into 10 plus half into 1 into 10 square. So it will be 100 plus 100 by 2, that is 300 by 2, which is equals to 150 meter, which is the answer. Now the next question is, a car is accelerated from this to a speed of 100 meter per second in 25. Calculate its acceleration. So its initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 100 meter per second, time of change is 25. So acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. Here v is 100 and t is 0, so 25, 5, 24. The acceleration will be 4 meter per second square. Now in the same question, we have to find the distance traveled by the car in the time, that is 25 seconds. So 2as equals to v square minus u square, that is third equation of motion. So s equals to v square, u square will be 0, v square it will be 100 square by 2 into acceleration is 4, so 1 cancel out, 5 000 2, so it will be 1250 meters, that will be approx 1.2 kilometer. Next question is, at a given instant the speed of a scooter is 54 km per hour. So we have to convert it into second, meter per second. 54 into 5 by 18, it will be 15 meter per second. So it will be the initial velocity, and it is given the question that the time interval for the change of the speed is 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds it becomes 18 km per hour. which implies that 18 into 5 by 18, so it will be 5 meter per second. It means that its velocity changes from 15 meter per second to 5 meter per second, and after that we have to calculate the acceleration, assuming that it is to be constant. So a equals to v minus u by t, that is v is 5 and u is minus 10 by time is 10 second. So minus 15. So minus 10 by 10, that is minus 1 meter per second square. Here this minus will indicate the retardation, that is negative acceleration also. In the same question we have to calculate the time in which it will come to rest. So from the in the previous solution we take the final velocity v. Here it will be the initial velocity for this case, that is 5 meter per second, and the final velocity will be 0 meter per second as the object want to come into a rest, and we have to find the time. So u equals to here 5 meter per second and v equal to 0 meter per second, and t equals to, we have to find as acceleration equals to -1. So t equals to v minus u by a, which implies that v is 0 minus 5 by -1, that is 5 seconds is the answer.